Hi, I want to show you how to add sticker to photo on iPhone. So let's start by opening Photos app. And now I'm going to show you how to create a sticker first. For that, you need to select Photo, press and hold an object so you'll see this menu on top. So hold it to feel vibration and release. Now click on middle option Add Sticker and it will be immediately added to your stickers pack. You can also tap to add effects such as comic, puffy, shiny, outline, and original. And then tap down to save changes. Now to add the sticker to a photo, we need to select the photo and tap on 3 lines for editing. After that, I want you to click on this markup icon on the top, and then you'll be able to draw something on this photo and so on. But we are interested in tapping this plus in the down right corner to trigger the menu. So from this menu, choose Add Sticker and select your sticker by tapping it. After that, you can resize it by dragging the corners. Here you can also reorder it by pressing and holding and dragging to any other place in the list. You can tap on plus and duplicate this sticker. Also, with this pinch gesture, you can rotate the sticker like that. And you can tap on 3 dots and choose to remove background, duplicate, paste, copy, cut, and delete the sticker. If you want to add another one, just tap on the plus. Once more, tap Add Sticker and choose different sticker from your pack. Then also resize it if needed. Place it wherever you want. And tap down in the top right corner to save changes. Now by tapping down again, you will save this new photo. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.